Take a look at these clips. Cinematic, realistic, and completely ready to use. It feels like they were filmed in a high-end studio, but that's not the case. Everything you're seeing here was made using Renoise AI, and I'm going to walk you through the exact process. Not just a single video, you can produce up to 100 different creatives within a few minutes using just one image in multiple styles, even full product ads. If you're running ads or making content, this can totally transform your workflow. So what exactly is Renoise? Renoise is an AI-based video creation platform that works with tools like Claude Code, Codex, and others, or you can simply use its desktop application. Instead of editing everything manually, you just describe what you want, and the AI handles the full video creation for you. Now let's understand how it works. First, visit the Renoise AI website. The link will be in the description so you can access it easily. Once you're there, download the desktop application. After downloading, installing it. The process is very simple. I've already installed it, so I'll skip that part. Once installed, open the application. After logging in, you'll see an interface like this. Here you'll find an option called Open Folder. Click on it and select where you want to save your project files. After selecting the location, this main interface will appear. This is where everything happens. All your generated images and videos will show up here. It's a very powerful workspace, so don't underestimate it. At the bottom, you'll notice a chat box. If you click on the model option, you'll see multiple models like Claude, Gemini, Flash, and more. These are AI assistants that work just like normal LLMs. You can chat with them, generate ideas, and even create images and videos directly. In short, powerful AI chatbots are already built into this tool. Let me type something simple like, "Hi, how are you?" and check the response. As you can see, it replies instantly and offers to help create videos. You can share any idea and it will generate content for you. You can create videos using prompts, reference images, or just by explaining your idea, similar to how you use ChatGPT. For now, I'll create a video using a prompt. To generate a video, go to the prompt box and type your idea. Just clearly explain what kind of video you want. After typing, press enter. The AI agent will process everything and start generating your video. Within a minute or two, your video will be ready. Now the video is ready. You can either watch it or download it. Let's check the quality is high and the visuals look very realistic. And all of this was done using just one tool with almost no effort. Honestly, it's pretty impressive. But let's try something more advanced. We'll create a product video. First, upload a product image along with a model image. You can use any model image depending on your ad style. Then enter your prompt. Once done, press enter. The AI will analyze everything and begin creating the video. As you can see, it's processing, and within seconds, the video will be ready. Let's preview it. This one looks even better and more realistic than before. It actually feels like a professionally shot video. The output quality from this software is very impressive. In the same way, you can generate multiple creatives and images with just one click without spending a lot of money. Just give the instructions and the AI will handle the rest.
And the best part, your viral prompts can actually turn into paid assets, meaning you can even earn revenue from what you create.
This makes it an extremely powerful tool. If you want to create product ads, cinematic visuals, or even Amazon listings using AI, you should definitely try Renoise AI. You'll find the link in the description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.